let us discuss how iron hydroxide is written. Iron, we know the formula Fe, hydroxide, hydroxide, how we are writing OH. Okay, Fe having the valency 3. Valency എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 2 ആണെങ്കിൽ അയണിൻ്റെ വാലൻസി 2 എഴുതുക. 3 ആണെങ്കിൽ if it is specifying as 3 you have to write 3. So otherwise we write it as 2. Okay, so iron 3 specify 3. Okay, then hydroxide, we know that its valency is 1. Crossing over, while crossing over, iron gets the valency of 1 and hydroxide gets the valency of 3. So the formula is FeOH. So the 3 gets the valency of 3 gets for the whole ion OH. So OH thrice. So FeOH thrice. Okay, so this is iron hydroxide. Then the next one is aluminium hydroxide. Now you know hydroxide means OH. Aluminium, we already studied, the valency is 3. So aluminium hydroxide. Here itself you can draw the bracket, so it will not having any confusion. So here aluminium 3 and hydroxide gets the valency 1. So while we are crossing over, aluminium gets the valency of 1, valency of hydroxide as 1, and OH, the hydroxide gets the valency of aluminum. So Al bracket, outside the bracket 3. So aluminium hydroxide, AlOH thrice, AlOH thrice. Then hydrogen sulfide, already we have done, H2S. Ammonium sulfide, look here, both the ions are polyatomic. Ammonium NH4 plus, sulfate, it is ATE. So what is the valency? SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. If it is both are having polyatomic ions, individually we have to specify the ions and put the bracket. Okay, so ammonia having the valency 1, sulfate is having the valency 2. While we are crossing over, ammonium gets the valency as 2 and sulfate gets the valency as 1. NH4, okay, then bracket, ഇവിടെ NH4 ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് അയോൺ ആണ്, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടൊരു ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇടണം. ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇട്ടതിന് ശേഷമാണ് സൾഫേറ്റിൻ്റെ വാലൻസി ആയ 2 സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്തത്. ഇവിടെ SO4 ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇടാം. സിൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹാവിങ് 1, we are not mentioning that 1 here. So it is understood that SO4 1. So no need of putting bracket into this sulfate ion. So the answer is NH4 twice SO4, NH4 twice SO4. So NH4 is a group of atom having ions. So we are specifying, since it is having valency 2, we have to draw the bracket. Next is SO4. SO4 is getting the valency 1. Since it is valency is unity, we are not specifying that 1. Okay, sodium carbonate. Sodium is having the valency 1. Carbonate 2 minus, carbonate CO3. So you have to by heart all these polyatomic and monoatomic, diatomic and triatomic ions. Okay, sodium 1, carbonate 2. So how it gets? Na2CO3 1. Since it is 1, we are not putting the bracket. Okay, so that's why its formula is Na2CO3. Calcium phosphate. Calcium is having the valency 2. Phosphate is having the valency 3. Crossing over, calcium gets the valency of phosphate and phosphate gets the valency of calcium. That's it get Ca3PO4 twice. Ca3PO4 twice. Okay, Ca3PO4 twice. Thus it get Ca3 Since it is having the valency 2, we are specifying it in the bracket. So PO4 ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ വെളിയിലാണ് 2 വരുന്നത്. ഈ 4 ഒരിക്കലും മിസ് ചെയ്യരുത്. അത് ആ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് അയോൺസിനുള്ളതാണ്. CO3, SO4 ഇതെല്ലാം സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഈ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇടുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ 3 ഈസ് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടഡ് ടു ഫോസ്ഫറസ് ആൻഡ് ഓക്സിജൻ. നമ്മൾ വെളിയിൽ എഴുതുന്ന 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതിൻ്റെ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഓരോന്നിനും ഉള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മൾ ബാലൻസിങ് ഒക്കെ പഠിക്കുമ്പം ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് മനസ്സിലാവും. 3 ഈസ് സ്പെസിഫൈഡ് in order to put it into each element present, or we are going to give that 3 to each element present inside the bracket. Next is potassium chromate. Potassium chromate is written as potassium, this elements is K and chromate is CrO4. Potassium is having the valency 1 and chromate CrO4 is having the valency 2. So while we are crossing over, potassium gets the valency of chromate and chromate gets the valency of potassium. While we are crossing, so it gets the valency as K2. Potassium gets the valency of chromate, so K2. Chromate is having the valency 1. Others one ayukondu we are not specifying the bracket, just we are writing as CrO4. So what is the formula of potassium chromate? K2CrO4. So I am going to give some homeworks to do. So while you are practicing it, it will be more clear. Okay, I will give you the homework also. So that's all for today. Hope you understood all these things. Thank you.